¿Cómo estás? How are you? In this video, we're going to cover how to answer how are you. Try to repeat each word in Spanish. This will help you increase your vocabulary while you develop fluency. Remember, keep it simple and stay focused. Let's get started. After greeting someone, it's common to ask, how are you? This question has an infinite number of answers. We recommend you using cognates, along with learning other expressions that you can utilize in any situation. How are you can be asked informally, such as when talking with friends, or formally, for example, when talking with your boss at work. The informal way is ¿Cómo estás?, while the formal way is ¿Cómo está usted? Here is a list of some of the standard responses to ¿Cómo estás? That will be acceptable in just about any situation. Excelente, excellent. Regular, regular. Fenomenal, phenomenal. Súper bien, very well. Más o menos, so-so. Muy bien, very well. Muy mal, very bad. No muy bien, not so well. Estoy feliz. I am happy. Estoy cansado. I am tired. Estoy enfermo. I am sick. Estoy triste. I am sad. It is important to know that these responses may come off as a little rude if you don't also say gracias, thank you, or ask the other person how they are. Use tú responses if speaking to someone the same age as you are or to your friends. Use usted responses for people older than you or people that you want to show respect. Regular, gracias. ¿Y tú? Or regular, gracias. ¿Y usted? Okay then, now it's time to practice.
Buenos días, ¿cómo estás?
Regular, gracias. ¿Y tú?
¿Cómo está usted?
Regular, gracias. ¿Y usted?
Estoy cansado.
Now, let's review. Excelente, regular, fenomenal, súper bien, más o menos, muy bien. Muy mal, no muy bien. Estoy feliz, estoy cansado, estoy enfermo, estoy triste. We hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Gracias.